Hello everyone. So today we will see how to install Python libraries, and to do that we should have Python installed in our system. So we can see that we have Python already installed. We will take one example. We will take example of NumPy. We'll try to install NumPy in our system. So first let's check if we already have it installed or not. As NumPy, so we can see module not found error, so that means it is not installed. Now to install it, I generally follow few simple steps. So for that we can open a web browser. We can search pip install NumPy. So whichever library you want to install, you can search for that like this. Then you can go to the website, this py you can open it, and you can see that there is a command pip install NumPy. You can copy this and you can go back to your terminal. You can come out of Python. You can paste the command which you just copied, or you can type it also. And when you hit enter, it will install it. So now it is installed. Now we can check whether it is installed or not. We can again go to Python. We can try and importing it, NumPy as np. Okay, this time no module not found error, and we have this library installed. Just to test it, we can take one example. We can take an array of numbers. We can take 4 numbers array, and with the help of NumPy we can calculate the average of all these numbers. So for that we have very simple command. We can write average, and then you can write np dot mean. So mean function will return us the average of the list. We can pass a and we can hit enter. We can print average and we can say it is 3.5. So it is returning the average of 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all. This is how you install Python library. Hope this is helpful. If you need to install any other library, you can follow the same steps. You can go to browser and you can search for the other library which you want to install. For example, you can search, let's say you want to install pandas. You can search pip install pandas and it will give you this py again. You can again click here, you can copy it and again go back to your terminal and you can repeat the same process. So that's all from my side. Thank you for listening. If you need any other help, please do comment in comment section. Thank you.